This video is about a little hack here. We got our big buddy, Mr. Heater. Had it for a few years, running good. Just got to blow it out once in a while when it gets rusty, or dusty, I should say. And I was at Ace Hardware the other day, and this is in the paint section. They have these in the paint section. I guess they go on a ladder or something or other, so you can put your paint can on it. Well, what you do is it fits perfectly right in here, like this. Goes over like that. And you can boil water. Put your coffee cup here to get warm. If you set it on low, set it on super high, you can boil water. I don't know, you can probably put a hot dog on that, like a grill, and cook it. But then all the juice would kind of fall. But anyway, you could have a lot of ideas. But yeah, there's different sizes too. There's a smaller one that would fit in here too. So I thought I'd show you that little Mr. Heater hack.